He's a really useful engine, you know. Other engines, they tell you so. He huffs and puffs and whistles, rushing to the flow. He's a really useful engine, we all know. He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the flight controller him told you so. Now he's got a branch line to call his very own. He's a really useful engine, we all know. He's the one, he's the number one, Thomas the Tank Engine. He's a really useful engine.